Hello everyone, this is Cancer from KNDMAX. KNDMAX is a professional manufacturer of wood chipper, splitter, and mini dampers from China. Today I will show you our hot sales item HGC155. This is the European coupler hitch, and this is the wheel junkie. And this is a petrol engine of 15 horsepower. If you can choose different brands as you like. This is a 360 degrees rotary discharge chute, and this is an adjustable deflector. This is a larger feeder bucket, and this is a emergency stop lever, and this is a emergency stop switch. If you are interested, tell us please. Thank you.